Lesson 5, the capstone of our series, learning to ask for favors politely with 도와주세요. Welcome to the finale! Today we're learning how to ask someone to do something for your benefit, the ultimate way to get things done in Korean. We'll master the polite request, learn how to soften your tone with one tiny word, and finally, synthesize everything we've learned in Series 7. You already know 우세요 from Series 6, but that's for the other person's interest. When you want a favor for yourself, we add the verb 주다, which means to give. Just take the 아어 form and add 주세요, literally, give me the action of. For example, 문을 열어주세요 means, please open the door for my sake. To make it sound even more natural and less demanding, we often add the word 좀, which literally means a little. It softens the whole request. 좀 도와주세요. Please help me. Adding 좀 makes you sound much more polite and humble in everyday conversation. If you really want to go the extra mile, you can switch to the honorific 주시겠어요? It combines the favor with the could you grammar from Series 4. 천천히 말해주시겠어요? Could you speak slowly? This is the peak of polite request making that ties together all your Series 4, 6, and 7 knowledge. Now, let's see how all 5 of our modal endings work together in a real conversation. This is where your Korean truly becomes expressive. 저는 한국어를 배우고 싶어요. 그래서 매일 공부해야 돼요. Look at that! You've just connived want and must using a Series 5 connectors. You're speaking real Korean. 여기 앉아도 돼요? 네, 하지만 사진을 찍으면 안 돼요. You're navigating permissions and rules with total confidence. Fantastic work! Here's your Series 7 toolkit at a glance. Want, can, must, may, and please. You've gone from describing the world to acting in it. To recap the whole series, you've mastered the 5 high-frequency modals of everyday Korean. You now have the power to say exactly what you mean. I am so proud of your progress. You've come a long way since Series 1, and you're now using the core machinery of the Korean language. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next series. Series 7 complete. Don't forget to check out our other playlists. See you next time!